Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a video like a pro on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and first thing first, let's just open up our camera application. This is my camera and I'm going to open it. And if we want to make a video like a pro, we can use a pro feature on this Samsung Galaxy phone's camera. We can go to the more option, and as you can see guys, that here we have some features we can use. And if we want to create a pro video, we can go to this pro video feature. Okay, and here are some features we can use guys. We can adjust the ISO, speed, and then this one, this is the exposure control and focus as well. And then the last one is the white balance. This one you can adjust it as you like, and I'm not going to show you how I take my video because it's according to your style and creativity guys. So here I'm just going to show you the steps to get to access the pro feature. If you want to adjust it, you just need to click on it. For instance, I'm going to adjust the ISO, and we can customize it like this. It's up to you. And for the focus as well, I'm going to record my pen, for example. So I'm just going to place this pen right here, and then we can adjust the focus. We can click on the pen, and then the background will be blurred. Okay, like this. Alright guys, and that's how we can make a video like a pro on a Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.